National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 11 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elgin to near Joliet, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Paris and Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burns Harbor, Jackson Park,
Dude,
and Beaumont Harbor.
how many times are you gonna tip that bloody fan over?
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:15 p.m. for Tyndall and southern Kane counties.